Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable invoice layout that matches your brand and includes the key details your customers need. In Xero, invoice templates are called branding themes. They control the look of your invoices, packing slips, and related documents, so setting this up once will save you time and keep your billing consistent. Start on your Xero homepage for your organization. At the very top left, you'll see your organization name. Click that to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you control how your organization behaves, including billing preferences, users, and your invoice presentation. If you don't see these options, you may need permission from an administrator, but most standard setups will have access. On the Settings page, look for Invoice Settings. It's the section dedicated to how your invoices appear to customers. Click Invoice Settings to open it. Here you'll see any existing themes and options related to invoice appearance and behavior. This is where you'll create a fresh template rather than editing the default one, which is helpful if you want multiple styles. Click New Branding Theme to create a new template. This starts a clean slate that you can tailor to your brand. It's a good idea to use a clear name so you can recognize it later, such as Standard Invoices or something specific to a region or department. Now edit the template. Upload a high-quality logo and choose colors that match your brand palette. Set fonts and sizes that are readable on both screen and print. Adjust the header to include your business details and make sure the invoice number, date, and due date are clearly displayed. In the line items section, pick the columns you want to show, such as description, quantity, unit price, tax, and amount. Keep it tidy, only display what your customers actually need to see. Add standard payment terms like due on receipt or net 14 or net 30 so your expectations are clear. In the footer, add payment instructions, your bank details or payment link, and any legal or tax information required in your region. If you use multiple tax rates, label them clearly. Use the preview to check spacing, margins, and how long descriptions wrap on the page. When you're happy with the layout and wording, click Save. Your new branding theme is now ready to use on invoices. You can come back and refine it anytime, and it's smart to create a quick draft invoice afterward to confirm everything looks perfect before sending it to a customer.